Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make very crispy crunchy pani puri, golgappa, puchka or pani batase, and I will make it in very easy way and you will love it. So whenever you want to make pani puri, so follow these steps and you will make it definitely. So make it at your home and share your experience with me. And if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel, and you can see all the videos English and in Hindi also. So let's get started. So for making this, here I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour or gehu ka atta and 1/4 cup of semolina or suji and water. So firstly take a bowl and add wheat flour, semolina. So here I have added wheat flour, then add semolina, then mix it. So firstly mix both of these. Then I will add water. So add a little bit of water and we need a very tight dough. Make sure you are kneading it very nicely and we want very tight dough. So add very little water and knead it very nicely. So it has done, you can see it is very tight dough, you can see. Now I will knead it for 10 minutes. So knead it continuously for 10 minutes. And you can see how I am doing. Press it like this and knead it. And knead it for 10 minutes. And you can see it has done. It is very soft now. I have kneaded it very well for 10 minutes. Now it is done. So our dough is ready. Now we will make a dough ball. So make 3 or 4 pieces of this. Then take one dough ball and roll it. And we will roll it very thin. And we will not use oil and not wheat flour. So roll it very thin. You can see how I am doing. And it is done. You can see it is very thin. And now we will cut it. Firstly I will show you how it is. Okay, you can see it is very thin. So now I will cut it. So you can use cutter or any lid. Here I have taken one small glass and I have cut it like this. You can see how I am doing. It is very easy process. You can cut it very easily. So it is done and I will make all the pani puri like this. So transfer it into a plate and I will make some puris. So here I have made some puris. Now I will fry it. So for frying, here I have taken a pan, then I have added oil, and here our oil is very hot and the gas flame is high. So in high flame put one puri and press it like this, then put another puri and press it. You can see how I am doing. And put 6 to 7 puris, and after that reduce the flame, and in medium flame we will fry it until it turns golden brown and it will be very crispy. So whenever you want to make pani puri, so follow these steps and you can definitely make this puri. You can see how I am doing. Now reduce the flame and in medium flame we will fry it 2 or 3 minutes. After that it will be very crispy. Now flip all the puris and cook both of the sides really well. And you can see the color, it has a very beautiful golden brown color. Now cook both of the sides really well and it has done. You can see it has very nice color. Now I will transfer all the puris and I will make all the puri like this. So these are done. I have made all the puris, you can see. and you can see it is very crispy and crunchy. So you can see it has a very crispy. So make this puri at your home and share your experience with me. And if you like this recipe, so please make sure you are liking this recipe and share this recipe, and make sure you will subscribe to my channel. So see you soon in another video. Thanks for watching today's video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.